check out our new project. We got a failed pond, leaks when it runs. What we're gonna do is a retrofit, pull out all the gravel, pull out that rock, fit as many small aqua blocks as we can in here, and then rebuild this trail. Just looking at it, the whole backside is super low. It's not greatly constructed. It's terribly hideous. Asher's setting up the camera. We already pulled out the skimmer. We got our pond lackey Joseph. He's building our aqua blocks. We're gonna get this started.